Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PixelFlow. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we'll search about PixelFlow. In this window of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. And here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about PixelFlow, enter video maker. If you find update here in this blue sign, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching and your attention.